Hello guys, today I show you the coin that you should trade in cryptocurrency. So first you open your Binance app. You can download this app in App Store, Play Store. So open the app. So I lock my app with fingerprint, so you use your finger to unlock. So when you open it, will show you like this: Binance Lite or Binance Lite. So to change it to Binance Professional, so you click here at the top here. Wait, I find a cursor for you. Where is it? Here. So you click here and change and close this to make the Binance Professional. Yeah, it show you a good interface for trading. So to know which coin is good for trading, so click here, market here. So these are the favorite that I already list. Here we have BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Shiba, ADA, XRP, FET, DOC, and links. These are the links that you should trade because it's good for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.